We have a new card base, my friends. I am so excited to share this with you. It is called a never-ending card. Now you're like, what is a never-ending card? Well, don't worry, I'm going to show you. The best part about it is, number one, it is so easy to do if you have a die set that does it. Number two, I even included the instructions on the back. And number three, you're going to love it. So stay tuned for that. But first, I have a couple other items. We are also releasing a mini slimline little Peep bear fold-it. He is so adorable. Now, I couldn't just stop with the little bear because otherwise he'd be naked. So there are clothing that go with him. And let me just tell you, I hope you guys love him as much as I do because I'm hoping that I get to make a whole bunch more of these little guys. They're so dang adorable. So check him out. Also, don't worry, I have samples. Next, we have, by popular demand, so many people have requested this. This is our reverse corner A2 card, A2 dies. Look at how many you get. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And at first you think, oh, well, do I really? Oh, wait till you see the samples. It changes everything. It really does. Now, last but not least, most of you have or had purchased the Mary Flip It that we had. And let me just tell you, we had so many emails saying, I want more words that go inside. I want more words that go inside. And your wish is my command. So if you have this, you're going to want this. If you don't have this, get this because you're going to want this. Are you ready? We have the words love, smile, hello, and this fun background that matches the A2 abstract floral background that we just did. Okay, don't worry, I have lots of samples. First, let's look at the reverse corners. Look at the difference on these corners because it really, oh, this is a sneak peek. It really just changes the way the card looks. Here's another one. It just adds a little bit of character to your cards. And the nice thing about it is it's nested. So you have so many different sizes that you can add your little stamped images to it for your little phrases. You can add a little side piece the other way. Lots of options on that one. So reverse corners. Now let's look at, here's the original Mary die without any words, right? This is the original Flip It. That's the card base that most of you already have. Now you can show it some love and have love. Isn't that fun? Or you can do smile. There's another one with smile. Smile, 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 smile. Here's another one, smile. Isn't that awesome, you guys? Here's one without using it as a Flip It, just as a decoration on a mini slimline card, which is fun. Here's another one, love. Isn't that beautiful? So then it's literally taking that card base, that Flip It, because a lot of people were like, oh, it's a Christmas Flip It. No, 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 no. Don't ever think anything is just one thing because I always make sure you're going to use things over and over again. I always want them to be very, very versatile so you'll be using them more than just for that one time, right? Here's another one, hello. Hello. Now remember when I said versatile, so it's not a Christmas Flip It. It is an everyday Flip It, and you don't even have to use that die set as a Flip It. Look at that on a slimline card. Isn't that awesome? 4 of those shapes on a slimline card. Beautiful, right? Now let's look at our little bear. First of all, we have to show off the little stuffy that Michelle made. You know what? I am just like addicted to her little stuffies. They're so fun. She uses our wool felt that's found on our website, and she hand sews these little guys, and they're just so adorable. She does a lot of craft fairs in her area as well, and she sells these. You know what? Yeah, you can too. Go to a craft fair, you can sell these because our angel policy is so open. You can do anything. As long as you hand make it, you can sell it. And then you can make some more money. Then you can buy more stuff. See, I'm a genius. Now, let's look at this. You can also use the wool felt for his body on a card if you want to. Look how cute that little guy is with his little jeans on. Let's go to the beach. Hey, I'm with you. I'll go to the beach anytime. Here's a cute one. Hello, little one. Look how cute this guy is. Here's a cute guy just decorated just like him, just like that. Look at that. Isn't he cute? Whoops, hang on. Which one can you not see very well? It's that, oh, there, I had a shadow on him. And look how cute this little guy is. Congrats, he's holding that little congrats. And here's a cute, oh, look at her cute little shirt. My friend, isn't that adorable? I absolutely love, that's from the Circles for HSN stamp set. But look how cute these little guys are. Look, same die set. Every single one is completely different. Now, technically, I think these two could go on a date together because they look the closest to like each other. But look how cute they are. Even they are different. Isn't that fun? Now, I know you've been waiting. Are you ready? Here is the never-ending card. Now, you're thinking, I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do this. Well, if you didn't have a die for this, you couldn't do this because let me tell you, the handmade instructions to measure it and score it and then turn it and measure it and score it, measure it and score it, that's just one piece. Then you have to do all those other pieces. But I made it so it's all a die, and guess what, my friends? Are you ready? This is so fun. So it's an A2 size card base, and look at this. It keeps going every which way. So we're gonna go like this, and then it folds in like this, and oops, and then it folds in like this. Every single time you turn it, it's a different card. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that fun? It just keeps turning and turning and turning. And it's literally never ending because you go like this, and then you fold it that way, and then you fold it this way, and then you fold it that way, and it just keeps going. Now, it's like those things we used to do when we'd say, okay, pick a side, you know, those things. Now, here's another one. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. And the cool thing is, you guys, is you can do it horizontal or vertical. The choice is yours. Here's the vertical version. There it is. We're going to open it, and then we're going to open it again, and then we're going to open it again. And you're like, oh my gosh, that's so hard. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so easy. Look at that. It just keeps going and going and going. I love it. Here's another one. Oh, this has the birthday cats on it. And it's so fun. Also perfect for your scraps because look, some of these pieces are just really small. So here we can start turning this one, happy birthday. And then we're going to turn it this way. You're the best. Look. Purrs and best wishes, and it just keeps turning and turning and turning. Here's another one. Cookies make everything. A balanced diet is a cookie in each hand. Cookies make everything better. Oops, she left her instructions in there. There we go. There's cookie time. Then we're going to open it this way, and then this way, and then this way. So you don't have to decorate every single one. So there's the main ones, right? And then you're going to turn it this way. Now you don't have to decorate it all. This can just be pattern paper. Look at that. It just keeps going, you guys. Isn't that fun? Oh, those cookies look so good. Here's another one. Oh, let's take the paper off. Here we go. Purrs and best wishes. Happy birthday. Then there's the kitty cats. Then we open it this way. Then it opens that way. Isn't this fun? You guys, it literally keeps going. People that you give this to are going to go, wait, when does it stop? When does it stop? It just keeps going. It just keeps going. When does it stop? When does it stop? Isn't that fun? You guys, look. I could just go all day. So that is the never-ending A2 size card base. Go check it out. The first 24 hours these items are on my website, guess what, my friends? They are on flash sale. So not only do you get our everyday low price, you get the flash sale price, and club members, yeah, you get your discount on top of the flash sale price. It's like we just want you to be our best friends if you're our club member, so we give you the literal rock bottom price, which is absolutely amazing. But we can't do it always, right? So it's the first 24 hours it's on the website. After that, it goes to regular price, but club members still get their discount. It's like a sale every day if you're a club member. Now, first 24 hours, they're on the website or until sold out. So make sure you set your alarms. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.